Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're starting with $0 or you've heard of Bitcoin but have no clue where to begin, this video is for you. We're going to break down everything step by step so you can start investing in cryptocurrency like a pro. I'll be your guide, walking you through the entire process from understanding what cryptocurrency even is, to choosing the right exchange and buying your very first digital coins. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to confidently navigate the exciting world of crypto. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to keeping your investments secure. Plus, I'll share some common beginner mistakes to help you avoid those costly pitfalls. So, if you're ready to learn how to potentially grow your wealth with cryptocurrency, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. First things first, let's answer the fundamental question: what is cryptocurrency? In a nutshell, it's like digital cash for the internet. Think of it as virtual money that exists purely online. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cryptocurrency operates on something called blockchain technology. Imagine a giant public digital ledger that records every single transaction, making it incredibly secure and transparent. What sets cryptocurrency apart is that it's decentralized. This means no single entity, like a bank or government, has control over it. It's powered by a network of computers around the world. This decentralized nature gives cryptocurrency some unique advantages. Transactions can be faster, cheaper, and more accessible to people all over the globe, regardless of their location or traditional banking access. Now you've probably heard of the most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. It was the first and remains the largest by market capitalization. But here's the thing, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and potential. Some popular examples include Ethereum, known for its smart contract functionality, and Litecoin, often touted as a faster and more affordable alternative to Bitcoin. The world of crypto is constantly evolving with new projects and innovations popping up all the time. The key takeaway here is that cryptocurrency represents a fundamental shift in how we think about and interact with money. It's a paradigm shift towards a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system. So, whether you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio, explore the potential of blockchain technology, or simply participate in this exciting new frontier, understanding the basics of cryptocurrency is crucial. Now let's talk about where you actually buy and sell cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms that act as marketplaces for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. Think of them like the stock market, but for digital assets. You'll need to choose a reputable exchange to get started. Factors to consider include security, fees, available cryptocurrencies, and ease of use. There are a ton of exchanges out there, but let's focus on three of the most popular and trusted options globally: Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each has its pros and cons. Coinbase is known for its user-friendliness, making it a great choice for beginners. Binance is the largest exchange globally by trading volume and offers a vast selection of cryptocurrencies. Kraken is another reputable exchange known for its strong security measures. When choosing an exchange, it's essential to do your research. Look for platforms with a solid track record, robust security features like two-factor authentication, and positive user reviews. Remember, you're trusting these platforms with your money, so security and reliability should be your top priorities. Don't rush this step. Take your time to find an exchange that aligns with your needs and risk tolerance. Alright, so you've picked your crypto exchange. Smart move. Now let's get you set up. Think of this like opening an account with your favorite online store, just with way more potential for, life-changing returns. Most exchanges make it super straightforward. You'll usually see a big button that says, sign up or get started. Click that, and you're off to the races. They'll ask for some basic information, you know the drill: your name, email address, a secure password. The works. And guys, seriously, make that password strong. We're talking uppercase, lowercase, numbers, maybe even throw in a special character or two for good measure. This is your financial future we're talking about. Protect it. Next up, verification. They'll probably send you an email to confirm your address, and you might have to go through a quick identity check. Don't worry, it's all standard stuff, just their way of keeping things safe and sound. It might seem like a bit of a hassle, but trust me, it's way better than having your account compromised. Remember, security first, always. Okay, so you're almost there. Now comes the most important part, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is non-negotiable. It's like adding an extra layer of security to your account. It's an extra code you need to log in, usually from an app on your phone. Most exchanges use an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps generate a new code every few seconds, making it hard for hackers to get in. It's super easy to set up. They usually have step-by-step instructions right there on the screen. And once it's set up, you're good to go. Your account is locked down tight, and you can sleep soundly knowing your crypto is safe. Remember, in the world of crypto, security is paramount. Don't skip this step. It's one of the best things you can do to protect your investment. Would you rather spend a few minutes setting up 2FA or risk losing all your crypto? Yeah, I thought so. Alright, now that we've got security covered, let's move on to the exciting part. Funding your account. Alright, so you've got your account set up, you're practically a crypto pro already. Now let's get some funds in there so you can start investing. The most common way is through a good old-fashioned bank transfer. It's like sending money to another account, just maybe with slightly cooler implications. You'll usually find the bank transfer option in your exchange's deposit section. They'll give you all the details you need, like the account number and routing number. Just copy those down carefully and head over to your bank's website or app. From there, it's just like setting up a regular transfer. Enter the exchange's information, choose the amount you want to deposit, and boom. Now a little heads up, bank transfers can sometimes take a few business days to process. It's not instant gratification, I know, but hey, good things come to those who wait, right? Plus, bank transfers are generally very secure, and they often have lower fees compared to other methods, so it's a trade-off, but in my opinion, it's worth it. Fund your account instantly with a debit or credit card. It's the fastest way to jump on hot crypto opportunities. Go to the deposit section and select the debit credit card option. Enter your card details and confirm the transaction. Bam! You're funded and ready to roll. It's like ordering a pizza, but you're getting Bitcoin. Watch out for higher fees and deposit limits. Don't go into debt for crypto. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Slow and steady wins the race. Now your account is funded and ready. Time to buy your first cryptocurrency. Alright, this is it. The moment you've all been waiting for, buying your first cryptocurrency. It's like stepping onto the trading floor for the first time, except you don't need a fancy suit, and you can do it from your couch in your pajamas. First things first, find the search bar. It's usually at the top of the page and looks like what you'd use on Google or Amazon. Type in the name of the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, whatever tickles your fancy. Most exchanges have a ton of cryptocurrencies to choose from, so do your research and find one that aligns with your investment goals. Once you've found your crypto, you'll see a bunch of charts and numbers. Don't be intimidated, it's all just information. The important part is finding the buy button. It's usually big, green, and impossible to miss. Click that and you're in business. Now, you've got a couple of options for buying. The simplest way is with a market order. This means you're buying the cryptocurrency at the current market price. Just enter the amount you want to buy, double-check everything, and hit that buy button. Boom! You're officially a cryptocurrency owner. Congratulations, my friend. You're now part of the future of finance. You'll see your new crypto holdings in your portfolio, which is like your digital wallet on the exchange. It's a good idea to check your portfolio regularly to track your investments. Remember, investing is a long game. Don't panic if the price goes down a bit, that's just the market doing its thing. And there you have it. You've successfully bought your first cryptocurrency. Wasn't that easy? Now before you go on a spending spree, let's talk about the importance of storing your crypto safely. Alright, so you've taken the plunge and bought your first crypto, that's awesome. But now comes a crucial step, keeping it safe. Think of it like this. You wouldn't walk around flashing a wad of cash, right? You'd keep it secure in a wallet. The same goes for your crypto. Leaving your crypto on the exchange is like carrying all your cash in your hand. Convenient, but risky. It's much safer to store it in a crypto wallet, and there are two main types: hot wallets and cold wallets. First up, hot wallets. These are like your everyday wallets connected to the internet. They offer incredible convenience, allowing you to quickly access and trade your crypto. Think of them like your go-to debit card for online purchases. They're user-friendly, often come as apps on your phone, and are perfect for frequent traders or those just starting. However, remember, because they're online, they're slightly more vulnerable to hacking than cold wallets, but don't worry, we'll get to those next. Now let's talk about cold wallets, the Fort Knox of the crypto world. If hot wallets are like your everyday wallet, cold wallets are like that super secure vault you see in heist movies. These bad boys store your crypto offline, completely disconnected from the internet. This makes them incredibly secure, virtually impenetrable to hackers. They're like that safety deposit box at the bank where you keep your most valuable possessions. However, this security comes with a trade-off. Cold wallets are less convenient for frequent transactions. They're better suited for holding large amounts of crypto for the long term. Imagine having to go to the bank every time you wanted to use your savings. That's kind of what it's like with a cold wallet. But hey, security over convenience, right? Especially when dealing with your hard-earned money. So, whether you choose a hot wallet for its ease of use or a cold wallet for maximum security, remember, storing your crypto safely is non-negotiable. Congrats on buying your first cryptocurrency, but the game's just starting. You need to monitor its performance. Cryptocurrency can be more volatile than traditional investments. Regular monitoring is crucial. Most exchanges have built-in price alert features. Get notified when a cryptocurrency hits a specific price. Set alerts to reevaluate your position. Knowledge is power in the crypto world. Now, monitoring isn't just about checking the price every 5 minutes, it's also about understanding the broader market trends. What are the experts saying? What factors are influencing the price? One of my favorite ways to stay updated is by following reputable crypto news sources. Websites like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph offer in-depth analysis and keep you informed about major developments in the crypto space. But hey, I get it, reading endless articles can be a drag. That's why I also recommend checking out YouTube channels dedicated to cryptocurrency. There are tons of great creators out there breaking down complex topics into easy-to-understand videos. Just remember, not all information online is accurate. Be critical, do your own research, and don't blindly follow anyone's advice, even mine. The more you learn and understand the market, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Alright, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make in the crypto space, because trust me, I've seen it all. The number one rule, and I cannot stress this enough, is never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. It's like a roller coaster ride. You might experience exhilarating highs, but also stomach-churning lows. Don't put yourself in a position where a sudden market dip could wipe out your savings or put you in debt. Start small. Treat your initial investments as learning experiences. As you gain more knowledge and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment amount. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, especially in the crypto world. It's also crucial to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, one cryptocurrency. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize your risk. This way, if one investment takes a hit, the others can cushion the blow. Now, let's talk about scams, because unfortunately the crypto space attracts a lot of them. You'll see promises of guaranteed riches, insider information, and once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. Don't fall for it. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of anyone promising unrealistic returns or pressuring you to invest quickly. Do your own research, and remember, legitimate investments don't need high-pressure sales tactics. Another common mistake is falling victim to FOMO, or the fear of missing out. You see a coin skyrocketing in price and you feel this urge to jump on the bandwagon before it's too late. But here's the thing, emotional decisions rarely lead to good outcomes in investing. Take a step back, breathe, and do your due diligence. Understand the project, the team behind it, and the long-term potential before investing. Remember, it's better to miss out on a quick buck than to lose your hard-earned money chasing pumps and dumps. And there you have it. You've learned the basics of cryptocurrency, how to choose an exchange, secure your assets, and even avoid common mistakes. You're now well on your way to navigating the exciting world of crypto investing. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. Keep learning, stay informed, and never be afraid to ask questions. I hope this guide has been helpful in giving you the knowledge and confidence to start investing in cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which cryptocurrency you're most excited to invest in first. Until next time.